Frogs are amphibians, which means they are cold-blooded animals that live both on land and in water. They typically have a moist, smooth skin, long hind legs adapted for jumping, webbed feet for swimming, and a distinctively long, sticky tongue for catching prey. Frogs undergo a unique metamorphosis from eggs to tadpoles to adult frogs. After hatching from eggs laid in water, the tadpole stage lasts for several weeks to months, during which they develop gills for breathing underwater and a tail for swimming. Eventually, they undergo metamorphosis, losing their tails and developing lungs for breathing air. Frogs can be found in almost every part of the world, in a wide range of habitats from deserts to rainforests. They are known for their unique ability to jump long distances using their powerful hind legs, which also help them escape predators. Frogs are also important members of the ecosystem, as they serve as both predator and prey in various food chains. They eat insects and other small animals, while also providing food for larger predators such as birds, fish, and snakes. Some species of frogs are threatened due to habitat loss, pollution, and the introduction of non-native species. It is important to conserve and protect their habitats to ensure their survival. Frogs have a unique way of breathing. While they have lungs, they also absorb oxygen through their skin. This is why their skin needs to be moist, as it allows for the exchange of gases. Most frogs are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. However, some species are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. Frogs have a special adaptation called a nictitating membrane, which is a transparent eyelid that protects their eyes while they are underwater. Some species of frogs are capable of changing color. This helps them to blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. Frogs are social animals and often live in groups. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, such as croaks and chirps. During the breeding season, male frogs will make a loud, distinctive call to attract females. Once a female has chosen a mate, they will engage in amplexus, which is a mating position where the male holds onto the female's back. After mating, female frogs will lay their eggs in water, usually in a gelatinous mass. Depending on the species, a single female can lay anywhere from a few dozen to several thousand eggs. Some species of frogs are poisonous, and their bright colors serve as a warning to predators to stay away. The poison is secreted through their skin and can be lethal to some predators, including humans. The lifespan of a frog can vary greatly depending on the species. Some may only live for a few years, while others can live up to 20 years or more. Many species of frogs hibernate during the winter, burying themselves in mud or leaves to survive the cold temperatures. Some species of frogs, such as the wood frog, are able to survive freezing temperatures. They produce a natural antifreeze in their bodies that allows them to freeze solid and then thaw out when temperatures rise. Frogs have a very important role in controlling the population of insects and other small animals. They are natural predators of many insects, including mosquitoes, which can transmit diseases to humans. Some species of frogs are able to jump up to 20 times their own body length in a single leap, making them one of the most impressive jumpers in the animal kingdom. The largest frog in the world is the Goliath frog, which can grow up to 13 inches in length and weigh as much as 7 pounds. The smallest frog in the world is the Pedophrenomaensis, which is found in Papua New Guinea and measures just 7.7 millimeters in length. Some species of frogs are able to regenerate limbs, which means they can regrow a leg or foot if it is injured or lost. Frogs are incredibly diverse and interesting creatures that play an important role in many ecosystems. With over 7,000 species of frogs found throughout the world, there is still much to learn about these fascinating animals. Some species of frogs are able to inflate their bodies to appear larger and more intimidating to predators. The African bullfrog, for example, can inflate itself to more than twice its normal size. The skin of some species of frogs contains natural chemicals that have been used in medicines for centuries. For example, the poison of the poison dart frog has been used to create painkillers and muscle relaxants. The red-eyed tree frog, found in Central and South America, has bright red eyes that help it to intimidate predators. It also has sticky pads on its feet that allow it to cling to trees and other surfaces. The glass frog, found in Central and South America, has transparent skin that allows you to see its internal organs, including its heart. Some species of frogs are able to change their sex. This is known as sequential hermaphroditism, and it occurs in species such as the African clawed frog. The desert rain frog, found in Namibia and South Africa, has a distinctive, high-pitched squeak that has made it famous on the internet. The sound it makes has been compared to a dog toy or a squeaky rubber duck. In some cultures, frogs are considered a symbol of good luck or prosperity. In others, they are seen as a sign of rain or fertility. Frogs are important bioindicators, which means that they are used to monitor the health of ecosystems. Changes in frog populations can indicate problems with water quality or other environmental issues. Overall, frogs are fascinating animals with many unique and interesting features. They are an important part of many cultures and ecosystems, and their conservation is important for maintaining the health of the planet. The end. Thank you.